Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So I've been getting a lot of DMs from people asking me, when is China going on holidays? When is China going on holidays? So in this video, I'm going to be explaining Chinese holidays, like when China people are going on holidays and when they are going to resume. So for those who do not know, Chinese people goes on holiday every year, like every February. They go on holiday for like almost 2 weeks. So guys, if you want to shop from all the Chinese websites like 1688, Pindodo, Alibaba, AliExpress, if you want to shop from this website, this is the right time. You just have um few days left to shop and have them ship, because the holiday takes almost 2 weeks, and when they resume, it's going to take time for them to start sending out orders, right? So you need to start shopping as soon as possible so that your goods can get shipped on time. So guys, that being said, in this video, I don't want it to be long at all. I want to quickly share with you the Chinese holidays and when they are going to resume, and other holidays that will take place in China during this year 2024. So guys, let's dive right into the video. So guys, what you are seeing on the screen right now is the dates and the number of days Chinese observes their holidays in China. So the first one is 1st of January, which is a normal holiday for the whole world. I think everywhere in the world on 1st of January is holiday. So this holiday they are going to start by February, starting on 4th of February. On 4th of February, which was on a Sunday. So it's called Special Working Day, you know. So this is when they are going to start their holiday. It's going to commence on 4th. So from on 4th, on 9th, 10th, 11, you see, can you see the dates? 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. These dates, all these days, they are not going to be available. They are going to be celebrating all their festivals. You can see spring festivals, golden holiday week, lunar year, and all of that. So then, and they will have another holiday on 24th. I don't know if they are going to resume this after on 18. Maybe they resume on 19 or 20th. I don't know, but they are going to have another holiday on 24th. Then after then till March 8th, then there's one other holiday they used to have, in the middle of the year. When you are buying some things, they will say they are sorry they cannot ship it, that they are on holiday. So I think it's from this 11th of March, 12, 20. Then you have April 4, there's holiday 5, 6, 7, like that. So, but there's one major holiday they used to have in the middle of the year. I think it is around June, because you have, say, Children's Day, June, Dragon Boat, or July, like that. So this is basically the China holiday timetable for the year. So if you want to see more, if you want to, see more of it, I'm going to drop the link to this timetable in my description so that you can check it out very well. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and I hope you learned something today. If you are interested in China importation, kindly go to my importation playlist here on this my channel to watch videos, trainings on how you can start your importation journey successfully. And if you have any questions, kindly drop them in the comment section and I'll personally reply to all your questions. Thanks for watching once again. See you in my next video. Bye bye.